Most reviews on The Last Wish tell you what it's supposed to do. I wanted to know what it actually does, so I put it through the matrix, broke down the mechanism, checked the ingredients, and looked at what real users are reporting. This is the review matrix. Here's what I found.
Here's what's actually going on with manifestation and wealth building. Most people dealing with it aren't failing because they haven't tried. They're failing because the things they've tried only address surface symptoms, like positive thinking and vision boards, not the real reason the financial blocks keep coming back. That quiet frustration of doing everything right, repeating the affirmations, and still not moving. That's the gap the last wish is designed for. When I broke down how the last wish actually works, it targets pineal gland calcification directly, not just conscious thought patterns. That's the distinction that matters. Most alternative law of attraction programs work at the symptom level, which is why you get results that fade. This goes a layer deeper, utilizing targeted audio frequencies backed by university research to wake up dormant spiritual senses. More targeted, less guesswork. The 7-minute activation audio. This is the one that stood out most because it directly addresses the biggest pain point: lack of time and the frustration of long, difficult meditations. The Pineal Gland Decalcification Plan. I hadn't seen physical biology addressed this way in this category before. It targets the actual physical blockage, slowing down the manifestation process. The wealth scripts. Easy to overlook, but it's what makes the other two actually compound instead of cancel each other out. It actively rewires the subconscious to gravitate toward money, while the audio does the heavy lifting. Based on the breakdown and what consistent users are reporting, early on, usually within the first 7 to 14 days, most people notice a sharp increase in mental clarity and a drop in baseline anxiety. That tends to build into noticeable synchronicities and unexpected financial wins with consistency. And longer term, it creates the deeper change you actually want, replacing financial panic with a permanent baseline of abundance. Not a straight line, but a clear direction. That's what the pattern shows. The protocol is simple. Just slip on a pair of headphones and press play for under 7 minutes. Fits into a morning daily routine without friction. The timeline: most people report meaningful results. 3 to 4 weeks. Not a disclaimer, just how cumulative mechanisms work. The first week is laying the foundation. The compounding kicks in after. One variable I always factor in: refund policy. The last wish comes with a 60-day money back guarantee. I treat that as a confidence metric. Companies don't offer real return windows on products they know underdeliver. It also means if it doesn't work for your situation, you're not absorbing the full risk. That's a relevant input. If the mechanism checks out for your situation and the problem I described is where you actually are, the link to the official page is in the description. Direct link, no resellers, no markup. It also locks in the $37.44 discount and the 3 free bonuses. Go through it, cross-check what I've covered, and run your own matrix. You've got everything you need to decide. If you've already run your own test on the last wish, I genuinely want to hear what you found. Drop it in the comments. The more data points, the clearer the picture gets for everyone.